Common GMC errors. Hello everyone. Welcome to my learning center. Our topic of discussion today is common GMC errors. Google's new shopping feature has swept the internet. We're discussing Google Merchant Center, which is a brand new service from Google. It's a new service that allows you to submit your brand, product information, or shop data to Google Shopping and other Google sites. But there's a snag. As soon as you begin uploading your data to GMC, Google begins to display issues. These problems range from normal Google suggestions to allow you to upload your data stream, to serious issues that prevent you from doing so. Based on our research, we've compiled a list of the most typical mistakes you'll make when submitting your feed to GMC. Typical GMC errors. 1. Incorrect product names or descriptions. Both the title and description tags are extremely important to Google, since it uses these attributes to match the product to the user's search query. As a result, you must ensure that both qualities strictly adhere to editorial rules. The following are the two most common tag-related errors. The use of block capitals. Adding advertising language such as free shipping. Solution. Read the complete editorial rules carefully, and double-check that your titles and descriptions are 100% compliant. 2. There are no Google categories, or the names of the categories are incorrect. Google wants merchants to classify their products according to Google's taxonomy, Google product categories. It is the most typical mistake, where merchants ignore Google's taxonomy and instead categorize products in their own category. Your feed will be denied if you feed products with erroneous category names. Solution. When feeding the Google product category field, only use Google's taxonomy. In a tab called Product Type, you can still use your own categories. Here you will find a more up-to-date list of categories for the United States. Keep in mind that the more specific the category description, the better. 3. Incorrect URLs for products. This happens frequently. One of the first steps in creating a GMC account is claiming a domain name. The domain name of your product URL must match the domain name claimed in GMC. The mismatch is most noticeable among Shopify users, as each Shopify shop comes with a Shopify subdomain called shopname.𝗪𝘆𝘀𝗵.com by default. Most merchants have their own domain name, such as shopname.com, which they usually claim in GMC. However, it is common for the product URL to include a Shopify domain name during feeding, such as shopname.𝗪𝘆𝘀𝗵.com, as both the domain name claimed in GMC and the domain of the product imported in the data feed are different. There will be a discrepancy. Solution. To avoid making this mistake, make sure that the domain name you claimed in the GMC matches the domain of the product imported in the feed. If this isn't the case, you'll need to use mapping rules to substitute the domain in the feed or claim a different domain in the GMC. 4. Incorrect images. We all know that the most crucial aspect of any product's ad is to offer high-quality product photos. The following are the most typical product image errors. Picture URLs that are empty or broken. Picture for clothes items is too small, the minimum is 250x250px. A graphic with logos, brand names, or promotional text. Solution. Double-check that the image URLs you submit to Google lead to working and correct product photos before you send them. If you're using Datafeed Watch, you can see a list of all the images you've downloaded by going to Shop Options, select Default Image. 5. There aren't any tax or shipping laws in place. Because shipping price and tax are necessary in feeds targeting the United States, merchants frequently fail to set up shipping and tax guidelines, resulting in problems outside US-only shipping, as tax is not applicable. Solution. The most popular way to configure tax and shipping restrictions is through the Merchant Center settings. Most merchants should be able to express their shipping models at the account level, thanks to the account level options, which provide full shipping and tax parameters. It can be anything from simple flat rates to more complex custom models based on product attributes, such as price, shipping weight, shipping label, for shipping, or the shopper's location, for tax. 6. Incorrect or no unique identifiers. Google requires GTN and brand for all non-custom-made products in the United States and most other countries. If GTN is not available, MPN is usually required. Brand is rarely a problem, but the other two are. More information. Solution. Typically, your source feed will include a brand. If not, you can map it from a description, if one exists, or simply create your own brand. The numerical version of the barcode is called GTN. In the United States, it's known as 𝗬𝗙, while in Europe, it's known as 𝗬N, a one-of-a-kind ID that adheres to international standards. GTN is a unique identifier developed by GS1, a non-profit organization based in the United States. The 𝗬𝗙 code is a 12-digit number, while the 𝗬N code is a 13-digit number. Only custom-made items lack a GTN. GTN should be present in your back-end system. If that isn't the case, there are several options in this article. A manufacturer part number, MPN, is a number that is used to refer to and identify a product that has been given a unique name by the manufacturer. As stated previously, your supplier should provide you with this attribute. If it isn't in your source feed, you can map it from your unique ID and get away with it. Thanks for listening. Join our Facebook group My Learning Center and subscribe to our channel My Learning Center on YouTube.